Hi, Kim. Thanks for being with us today. A lot of customers are working right now through backup policies for SaaS applications, but the conversation is often very much about backup, not necessarily about recovery and resilience. What is your view on that and how companies are prepared today?
Thank you for having me, Niels. I think you need to take a step back and look at your whole resilience plan and look at how you address your data, because backup is fine, recovery is crucial, and you need to see what do you need to get on your feet fast. So looking at your data classification, looking at your data importance, that's crucial. Most of the people, most of the companies have a policy, has a information security policy, a classification policy, but it differs the cruciality whether you are in an operational environment, OT, where it's like an industry that needs to run, or you're a research company that lives from your information and your research documentation. So you need to look into that and look at what data is really crucial.
How is that working in most companies as far as getting to an outcome?
That, I think, is the CISO's actually one of the tasks, to find out who is the people who actually have the responsibility. Because it's obvious that you need your management to be part of this. You need your CEO, your CIO, maybe even your board to understand why you sort of qualify and classify your data. But the people who are your operation unit, for example, you need to pull them in. You need to involve your management, your CEO, your CIO, but also you need to look at who is important in the company. Sometimes your operation unit, for example, works by itself. It thinks that security is something that goes on in the corner and is not important to them. You need to pull them in and to have the dialogue with them. What do they see as crucial? Your research department, what data do they see as crucial, and so on, so that you sort of look into your mapping your company, find out who is important, who do you need to work with on this.